Ms. Belcher, was that enough time or do you need to go back?
We're ready, Your Honor.
Okay. This is 1921. I'm sorry. Okay. This is 1921540T, David Jamal White. There's also 183657 19R001568ABC 19R002839B and C. Your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. Leanna Belcher on behalf of Mr. White. Can you state your name for the record, sir?
David White. Did she hear me?
Matter is scheduled for an arraignment on a bench warrant. Ms. Belcher, you've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. White.
Yes, Your Honor, I have. We'd waive formal reading, stand mute, ask for the warrants to be recalled.
The warrants will be recalled. At this time, Mr. White, the file numbers I read off, he owes the court a total of $3,276. He has 36 hours of community service on the 1921554 file. Ms. Belcher, what do you propose to resolve these matters?
Your Honor, we would ask the court to allow my client to enter into a payment plan again. He did go through a really difficult period of time where he lost his job and then he got a job right during COVID, lost that because of COVID. He is now gainfully employed at Amazon. That is a job that he will have when he is released from custody. He did state that they were garnishing his wages, so his funds were a little limited because of a issue that he had, but he expects, Your Honor, to be getting tax return money and also the current stimulus that will help pay off this money that he owes to the court.
I did my community service as well for a nonprofit organization.
And that, Your Honor, may just be involved with him getting some proper documentation to probation.
Okay, Mr. White, what you will do is provide proof of the 36 hours to probation within 30 days of today's date. So by April 22nd, 2021.
Okay. I could
Also,
bring that in immediately. I'm sorry. I could bring
that's
it.
okay. Also, as for a payment plan, did you have a payment amount in mind and a first payment date?
Well, my attorney said 100, but
Sir, Mr. White, it's okay.
oh,
I discussed this with him, Your Honor. At this point, he would ask if he could pay $100 a month. I did explain, obviously, he could always pay more if he does get those lump sums of money from his taxes and the stimulus. But I don't want to set him up for failure if he already has a garnished paycheck through Amazon.
Understood. So $100 per month, first payment when?
I guess that would depend on how quickly he's released, Your Honor. He does have one other warrant. We're unsure if he could be getting picked up on that. So maybe 2 or 3 weeks time.
Let's say $100 on April 12th. And then 100 per month thereafter. They'll combine it into a singular payment plan. So they'll apply it to the files accordingly. We have a new address for you on New York Street in Inkster. Is that a good mailing address for you?
It is, Your Honor.
Elections Department will mail out a notice with that payment plan. If you fail to make payment, another set of warrants will be issued, and I'm not sure what would happen after that if you fail on another payment plan. I see there are multiple ones in each of these files. So again, Mr. White, 30 days to bring in proof of or submit proof of the community service to probation department, and then the payment plan in these files will resume in 3 weeks.
Thank you so much.
Anything else, Ms. Belcher?
No, Your Honor, I did get an email address for him. I'll send that to Andy in an email. That way you guys can add that to your court file. And then as far as a release, is he going to just be released on a personal or just released today on this case?
Well, the warrants recalled.
I just seen that Andy was requesting a bond recommendation sheet, so I didn't know if we would be addressing
Oh, I
that.
didn't see it. I didn't see a bond recommendation in the.
They didn't send one
file.
over. I just seen she had requested one from the county, so I didn't know if there was a bond issue.
If we recall the warrant. And he owes 3,200. We'll just say 3,000 personal, and that should resolve the warrant issue as far as the jail's concerned.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Anything else, Ms. Belcher?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you.
I have a
We're all
quick,
set, Wayne County? I'm sorry, were you saying something, sir?
yeah, like, so far as the bond, I don't have to pay anything to leave today, do I? Okay,
Not for our warrants. I'm not sure if you have something else from some other court.
okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Belcher. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge. You too.